How's it going today? We're going to talk about pre-stain conditioner, why you should be using it on every project before you stain, and what it does for you. Let's get started. How you doing? I'm Matt with 731woodworks.com. Today, we're going to be using pre-stain conditioner. If you're new to this channel, we build awesome projects with basic tools. I give a little bit of woodworking advice, business, and tips and tricks. Let's get into it. So as you can see, I really love this stuff. I use it on every project before I stain. It works. It takes all that blotchiness out. I believe in the product. If you want it yourself, check the description below. I have a link to this pre-stain conditioner down there for you to go check out. We're going to take this Minwax pre-stain conditioner. This side will have pre-stain, this side will not. So we'll do no pre-stain on the left with pre-stain on the right. These have been sanded, and we'll see what the results are when we stain them. All right, so I'll let that set about 30 minutes before I apply my stain. And I'll also use it on this piece of pine. We'll do pre-stain again on the right, no pre-stain on the left. This is spruce up here, this is pine, so to kind of give you an idea of the differences between the two. All right, so I'm going to be using Minwax dark walnut stain. This is some pretty good stuff. I like Minwax products. Now, I typically just use white rags, but this is an old dish towel commandeered from the kitchen. Cut it up into small pieces. That's what I use to stain with. Make sure you got some gloves. Remember, the pre-stained treated boards are on the right. No pre-stain on the left. I'll put the stain on, then I'll wipe the excess off with a different rag, or the opposite side of this rag, whichever. Now I can already see the difference in those treated with pre-stain and non. You see this black dark color that's ingrained in there? That's what the pre-stain conditioner takes out. All that black blotchiness and leaves more of the natural wood. That's on pine, of course. This is on spruce. In spruce you can't see as much of a difference, but this is a small piece. But I can see a little bit of blotchiness right here and right here where this doesn't have it. It does have some darker color around. There's a divot right there, just like right here. You see a little bit of darker around that where the wood is deformed. And then here's another example. You can see that dark strip right there. You see that blotch right there across there. This side doesn't have it. It was treated with pre-stain. This side has no pre-stain, and you can see that blotch. So if I had used pre-stain on this whole thing, this wouldn't be there. That's why I like the product. It actually does what it's supposed to. It takes that blotchiness out of there, especially on pine when you're using construction grade lumber. You can see, I hope you can see the difference. This dark coloring over here all through this, whereas this side doesn't have it. Other than around this area here where the wood is deformed and beat in and damaged. But otherwise, like right here, you see there's no blotchiness right through here. You see all that blotchiness. That's pine, this is spruce. And then this spruce here is just a small section. I can see a little bit of blotchiness right here. It's not too terribly bad on here. Sometimes it's better than others. But definitely a difference on the pine, definitely a difference on this piece of spruce. As you can clearly see, this pre-stain conditioner works. This is on very small test pieces. You can see the difference in just the small pieces. Imagine a full-size tabletop or a full-size stove cover or whatever you're making. It has blotchiness all over it and it's inconsistent looks. You don't want that when you're building these furniture for customers or for yourself. So use pre-stain conditioner. There's links in the description below to that conditioner. Don't forget, I highly recommend using this pre-stain conditioner on your projects before staining. I let it set no more than 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, and then I stain. No less, no more. I don't put it on there and then wait 2 seconds and then put the stain on there. It's not gonna be effective. If you wait too long, I mean, if it's been 45 minutes, you're fine. If you wait 2-3 hours, it doesn't seem to do as good of a job for me. If you like this video, click that box right there. If you watch that next video, you know what's coming. I'm gonna give you that virtual fist bump that you've been waiting for. Thank you so much for watching this channel. Go ahead and give me the thumbs up if you hadn't already. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon next to it so that you get notified of all the new content we've got coming.